Hi everyone, welcome to this edition of the Profitable Franchise Video Blog. My name is John Leavitt and I'm a partner at BDO Canada, where we specialize in helping franchises be more profitable and also help them with all of their tax, accounting, and reporting needs. Today I'm going to talk about how the profitable franchise company does their cash flow forecasting. Cash flow forecasting is an essential activity in running a successful franchise business. I went to a presentation this last year, and the presenter asked us, what is the number one reason that businesses fail? The answer was simple: they run out of cash. The best run franchise companies prepare forecasts to make sure that they don't run out of money. Now, preparing the cash flow forecast doesn't mean that you always have enough cash, but it allows you to identify where you might have a shortfall, and then you put a plan in place to address that. I recently met with a multi-unit franchise business owner. He quite frankly admitted to me that he really doesn't know where he's at financially. He doesn't know if he's profitable right now, and he doesn't have any cash flow planning or forecasting in place. I was introduced to this person because one of the franchise bankers referred him to me because he wanted to get more financing, but he wasn't able to produce good historical financial statements along with a cash flow forecast. So, how do you prepare a cash flow forecast? If you're an existing business, then the best place to start is with your historical financial information. From here, you can adjust these figures if there are any supportable reasons why the future expected amounts will be different from the historical results. If you're a new business and you don't have the benefit of historical experience, no problem. You just have to make reasonable assumptions and estimate what you expect the results will be. And if you're completely uncertain about what your future results will be, this is okay as well. None of us has a crystal ball to say for certain what the future will hold. So in this situation, you prepare a sensitivity analysis. What this means is you prepare different cash flow scenarios based on a range of reasonable possible outcomes. That way, when the actual results start happening and you can see which direction you're trending, then you have a plan in place for that scenario. This is what a typical cash flow forecast looks like. You can see it's done by month for a whole year. We've kept it super simple and we've made it so all of the months have the same amounts. This likely won't be the case for most of you. So we start out in the top left corner with our opening cash balance of $5,000. We then enter all of the cash inflows expected for that month in the column. Moving down to the red font is where we enter all of the expected cash outflows for the month. And you can see closer to the bottom that we also include cash outflows for items such as loan repayments, equipment purchases, and any money taken out by the owners. This then gives us an ending cash balance at the end of January of $7,050, which then carries forward all the way to the top of the next column as the February opening balance. And then we do that exercise again for that next month of February. If you look at the very bottom line, you can see that every month we are cash flow positive up to the month of June, where there is a planned equipment purchase of $40,000, which then flips us to a negative ending cash balance from that month all the way until the end of the year. No problem. Because we have this forecast, we can now plan for the projected June shortfall. We can get a bank loan, we can inject a shareholder loan, we can reduce the monthly owner draws, or we can even delay the equipment purchase. The key takeaway is that we know it's coming and we are proactively managing the business and not letting it happen to us by surprise. There you have it. Thank you very much for listening to this installment of the Profitable Franchise Video Blog. Please don't hesitate to call or email me if you have any questions or comments, or if we can help you with your cash flow forecasting. Stay tuned for my next Profitable Franchise Video Blog, where I'll talk about financial reporting for profitability. Thank you.